I used AI to make the video you are watching now. In this video, I am going to teach you how to generate AI avatar that can talk and walk like this. You don't need to be an expert in artificial intelligence to make this happen. All that is required of you is your readiness to learn. If you are ready, let's dive right into the video.
So guys, let's begin. For the purpose of this video, I am going to be using Chat GPT, which you can see here. It is a very popular AI platform, and also I will be using Leonardo AI to generate the avatar. You can choose anyone. You must not use the two of them at the same time, but as we proceed, you are going to see what I'm talking about. As you can see here, I have already pasted my prompts. Let me tell you something. The power of the image you generate depends on the prompt. Whatever you tell ChatGPT to do is what it is going to do. So make sure you input everything in your prompt. So let me read out my own prompt for you to see. It says, generate an AI avatar of a handsome black man with a low-cut hairstyle sitting confidently in a sleek office chair inside his vibrant YouTube studio. He's wearing a fitted blue t-shirt with the bold inscription SP Studios across the chest. His energy is electric as he gestures enthusiastically, passionately speaking to the camera with direct, engaging eye contact. The studio glows up with neon green and yellow lightning, highlighting high-tech gear like a professional microphone, camera, and monitor. The whole space radiates a dynamic, ultra-modern vibe, perfectly matching his confident presence and creative energy. This is just perfect. You're going to create on this arrow button here for Chat GPT to generate our AI avatar. Just click it now, and then we are going to wait for it to generate. Okay, so let us wait for it to generate. It should take a few minutes. So as you can see now, our image has been created. This is the AI avatar. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. I'm going to make use of this one. So now I'm going to show you how to generate image on Leonardo AI 2. So we're going to pick the platform which one generates the best image that you can use for your own video. Now let us head on to Leonardo AI, and we're going to use the same prompt there. So this is the next app that you are going to use in generating your AI avatar. It is called the Leonardo AI app. When you come here, you just paste your prompt just like we did in Chat GPT. After, you must have signed up on this app. When you sign up, they are going to give you free 150 credits for you to be using and generating images. So when you click on the generate button, on here it says create. When you click on the create button, please make sure that your style is set to flux dave so that it will give you a clear image. There are so many styles here. Let me show you. You see here, make sure it is on this one, on this particular one, and then you just click on create. I have already created some images here. As you can see, I created 4 images. So these are the ones I'm going to be using to create my own video. I'm just going to go ahead and download it. I'll download it, download them one by one, and then head to the next app where we are going to make it talk. After generating your images on ChatGPT or Leonardo app, the next thing for you to do is to come to Minimax Audio. This is a platform that lets you translate your text to speech, that is text to audio. When you come here, after signing up, it will bring you to this interface, and then they will give you 10,000 free credits for you to keep generating these audios. All you need to do is to just come to this place, and then you put in your texts, and then you click on the generate button, and then it will create your audio. If you don't like the voice you are seeing here, you can just click on this place. It will bring out the voice selection. You can select any of these voices for free. You can only generate 30 seconds of audio at a go. So if you have money, you can actually upgrade so that you can have more access to this, but you can do it bit by bit to get the number of audio you have. So Although I'm not going to use any audio here because I already have my own audio that I'm going to use. I'm just, including this one just in case you need any um, platform to generate your text to speech. Now let us head on to the next section of this video, which is making the AI generated avatar to talk. Okay, now after generating your audio, you now head over to this website called Hailuoai. Hailuoai is the platform where you are going to transform your images to video, talking videos. Those are your AI avatars that you generated on Chat GPT and Leonardo AI. You bring it here and change it from just images to talking videos. Now, this is how we are going to do it. When you sign up, they are going to give you a free trial, which is 1,100 credits. You are going to use it to generate as much videos as you can until you exhaust it. Now, this is what you are going to do. You click on this icon here. It brings out the image space. You're going to choose one of these images here. So I'm going to choose this, and then it has uploaded. And then I'm going to type in a prompt. I'm going to say speaking, smiling, hand gestures, simple hand gestures, and looking into the camera, looking straight into the camera. Now, we are going to go ahead and click on the generate button here for it to generate. So our video is now generated. We're just going to wait for it to generate. Okay, as you can see now, our video is ready. We're just going to go ahead and download it. This is the video. It is now playing. So let us download it now. If you want to recreate it, you can recreate it again. If you don't like what you see, and then I'm okay with this, I'm going to click on download. With watermark. It has a watermark on it because it's the free version, but I'm going to show you how to remove this watermark at the end of the video. Just stay through to the end for you to see it. It has downloaded into our gallery. So now we are going to create another scene of the video we are about to make. We're going to put in our generated avatar again. We click on this image side, and then we put this particular image and click done. I have already entered the prompt, standing up from the chair and walking towards the camera while talking with hand gestures. Then we click on create. Wait for it to generate. So now our video is ready. We just head over to the website where we are going to make it talk. Now let us see what we did here. This is it about to play. Perfect. We just download it again like we did initially with the watermark, since we don't have access to the premium version. So you are going to head over to Google and search for Dreamface app. Dreamface app is the app where you are going to lip sync that audio you generated on Minimax. This is the app here. When you search for it on Google, it is going to bring out this particular app. Then you click on it and install it. So we are finally on the Dreamface app after installing. So this is the app where you get to make your videos lip sync. That's your audio you generated from Minimax AI voice. So that is literally what this app is all about, making images and video talk. So now we are just going to click on video lip sync, this particular one here. When you click on it, it is going to bring us here. As you can see, I have already uploaded my video, the one I generated from Hailuoai, because I wanted to see if I can make the video really talk on this app. So now we're just going to go ahead and click on this. If you want to download, sorry, if you want to upload your video, sorry, you're just going to click on this avatar here, and then you just come here and download, sorry, and upload your video. I keep saying download, sorry, forgive me. So after that, you can just click here, because I already have it here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on where it says add script to continue. You click here, you now click on imports. You say from files, click on from files. It's going to take you to where you downloaded your audio. Okay, I'm going to click on this week here. It's going to appear differently because this is my phone. I'm using Android. On your own phone, it is going to appear different. So I'm going to just click on this audio, the one I generated from that Minimax. This is it. Yeah, I'm going to play it.
I used AI to make the video you are watching now. In this video, I am going to teach.
So you're going to click confirm for it to be inside the audio. Now we are going to animate. Click on the animate button here. It is now loading. This is very fast actually. Okay, it's still animating. So guys, our videos has been generated. What you are going to do is to just click on it.
I am going to teach you how to generate AI avatar that
exactly what I'm saying. It is now lip syncing that audio we generated from Minimax. We're just going to go ahead and download it using this button here. As you can see, it has the watermark of this Dreamface AI, Minimax, and Hailuoai, all of them in one. But what we are going to do is that we are going to make sure that we remove this watermark. I'm going to show you how to do it. Just keep watching this video to the end. So we're going to click on download, and okay, the video has been saved into our gallery. I'm going to show you how to remove that watermark now. Let us head into it. So guys, to remove these watermarks on your video, you are going to download this app. It is called Ani Eraser. Ani Eraser is the app that allows you to remove anything from your video, images, whatever it is. You just come here and click on video object remover. You click here, it brings you to your gallery. You pick the video you want to remove. I'll click on this one, and then I'm going to use this feature here to drag it to the part of the video that I want to erase, like this. I'll drag it until it gives me the actual image that I want to. So I'm going to remove this one now. Look at it. I'm going to click on next, then it will start processing. Okay, our video has processed. So as you can see, the video has already processed, and you can just go ahead and download it to your camera roll, save to your camera roll, and then you can go ahead and repeat the process again by uploading the same video that you made to remove those ones you don't want to see. I'm just going to go ahead and drag it and remove the ones here only. Okay, it's processing. Okay, it is now ready, although it looks blurry here, but I don't think anybody will find that. Let's play the video and see.
I used AI to make the video you are watching now. In this video, I am going to teach you how to generate AI avatar that can talk and walk like this. You don't need to be an expert in artificial intelligence to make this happen. All that is required of you is your readiness to learn. If you are ready, let's dive right into the video.
After all this, you can now proceed to CapCut and edit your video. You click on new project, and then you pick the video, and then you can add whatever feature you want to add. You can add the keyframe, whatever you want. Then your video is ready. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you got any value from this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.